no strangers. It's been a long time. It's been too long. Do you know, I can't actually remember the last time I was actually out on the bike. That's fucking shocking. It's an absolute disgrace. I'm thinking around about September time, which is bad. But here we are, we're out. I'm currently en route to get good old Lucille MOT'd. So, fingers crossed, everything goes well. I've just topped it up there with good old BP Ultimate Fuel, because the fuel that was in the tank, again, has been since September. Now the bike has done well. She's sat there neglected for a good part of 6 months. Don't get me wrong, up at my lockup I have the Oxford solar optimizer thing, which is just ideal if you haven't got electricity running to wherever you store your bike. Had that there, had that connected up. Went up, we twisted the chokes, push of the button, bang! Roared to life. Couldn't ask for much more. So got it down to the house, got it all cleaned up. I had a wee check over the essentials, you know, making sure everything was as it should be. Gave it a good old scrub, polish, wee coat of wax. And she looks as good as always. For a 19-year-old bike, I'm not really going to grumble. So we'll go up here today and see what the MOT man has to say about her. The only thing on the back of my mind is front tyre. It is looking a bit low. My thought is maybe an advisory on it, and then I'll get it ordered up. Maybe just change the pair. Just not sure what to go for. Last couple of years I've been using Michelin Pilot Power 2CTs, which I do rate. I think they're a good tyre, but I want to try something different. I want to see what's out there that's just that wee bit stickier. So, looking at the Pirellis Rosso 3s, don't know if anybody's using them, you can maybe give me a wee bit of input on them. I'm not too concerned about mileage, you know, even if I got the good part of a season out of them, which the now is, you're only looking at 5,000 mile. The Michelins have always lasted me well. I think I've had the good part of a year out the rear, well, more than a year. But close to 2 out the front, so you know I'm expecting to change that. So I'll have a wee shop about, have a wee read at reviews, see what's happening. As I say, I always appreciate input. Let me know what you're running, what your thoughts are on it. Oh, it just feels good to be back out. It's nice and dry, which is a change for last year's MOT trip because it was snowing. Don't know if you'll remember that, the video is back there somewhere, just flick through the back catalogue. But here's hoping we get more weather like this, if not better. Well, that is us guys, a clean bill of health for another year. As I expected though, advisory on the front tyre, so I'll be looking for a set of tyres. But that's us, we can get back out now. But sod's law, you know, I done all my bits and pieces, checked all the bulbs and all that. I get flipping up and the headlight bulb was out. So fired a new bulb in it just before I put it in, and all was good. So I'm actually going to swing by Halfords and get a new pair of bulbs because it's got 2 odd bulbs in it now. But that's it guys, we are now roadworthy for another year, another season. Bring on the fun. So that's it now guys, I am going to go get reacquainted with Lucille. And I will catch you next time. As usual, if you liked it, hit the like button. If you didn't, so be it. If you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. And most importantly, ride safe and keep our shiny side up. Till next time guys, bye.